Wicca house cleaning. There are different ways to carry out Wicca house cleaning. Wicca house cleaning can be fun and an essential part of our life, and there can be several reasons our house requires cleaning. A few tips. After every ritual, I always clean my sacred space at home to dispel any negative energies lurking around. When can we cleanse? Wiccan house cleansing may be carried out whenever we feel the need. For instance, negative energy from the last tenants and excess energy from some past trauma may not have occurred in the building as it stands today, but could have happened on the site on which it stands. Sometimes, people want an area cleansed to start fresh, and Wicca house cleaning will undoubtedly do the trick. Whatever the reason, cleaning an area is becoming very popular. Some people are even making a nice living cleaning homes, offices, schools, and other areas. People use many and varied methods to clear space or the whole house of negative energy. I will share a few techniques that I use. They are simple and work very well for me. The method I favor most is straightforward and can be done independently or with a group. Don't worry if you have a skeptic in the group. It still works well, sometimes even better than you may think. If you are trying to remove a spirit from an environment and are a little edgy about what may happen, I suggest you have someone with you to make you feel more comfortable. The only thing that can harm you is your mind. The spirit will not cause you trouble or pain. That only happens in the movies. Boy, does Hollywood have much to answer for in this regard. Still, people love to be scared out of their wits for some reason. I like to work with a citrine cluster on most occasions, as it does not hold negative energy and transmutes it immediately. However, I have also used quartz and amethyst clusters and single crystals of all varieties. I begin by walking through the area to be cleansed. If it is a room, I will walk around the perimeter. If it is a house or complex of rooms, I will walk around every room and decide where I will do the cleansing from. Once this decision is made, I open a window or a door that leads to the outside. If you work in an office building or complex where you can't open a window or door, do not worry. It will still work okay. If you have no open window or door, sit on the floor before a window. I like to see outside, but performing a cleansing is not a requirement. It is just a preference. Hold your chosen crystal in your hands and relax. Concentrate on your reason for being there and call all the negative energy to the crystal as the fuel enters it. Ask the crystal to send the negativity out through the open door or window and up to the light. If closed, send the energy outside and into the light. You may notice the energy being drawn into the crystal. Sometimes it can feel like a person's breath on the back of your neck or the side of your face. You may feel a slight vibration in the crystal while holding it. Keep relaxing and let the energy flow. Don't worry when you need to stop, even if it seems like a small amount of time has passed. The job will be done. Again, if you feel nothing is okay, follow your instincts. Should you need more information on this subject, leave your questions in the comments below the video. Merry part.